This recipe is older than most of us. Let's make date rolls. In a large bowl, add 250 grams of softened butter, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of corn flour, half a cup of icing sugar. Mix this well until pale in color. Then add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of fresh chopped dates, and in total I used 2.5 cups of flour, but add in a little at a time. This is the consistency of the dough you need. It must be soft and workable. Grease an oven tray and preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. It's now time to shape our date rolls, so make sure you have your dough, a 1/4 cup of milk, and half a cup of coconut ready. Take about a teaspoon of dough and roll it as I have here. Remember, the dough has baking powder, so it will double in size. Shape as if to resemble fingers, making sure the dough is smooth on all sides. Also make sure that there are no cracks on your date rolls at this point. Dip into the milk and then add into the coconut bowl. Make sure the date roll is properly covered in coconut. Once you've rolled them in coconut, place onto an oven tray. Repeat this process until the dough is finished. You will get about 24 to 26 date rolls. Bake this in the preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 14 minutes and you will have sweet, nutty, golden rolls that melt in your mouth, the ultimate treat for tea time. Do try it and let me know how they turned out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.